Hi, boys and girls. This is Ms. Williams, and this is my assistant,
Ruby.
Okay, so Ruby has this
Yellow crayon that could save all your money.
So we are going to pretend like we have an amount we started with. Let's pretend like we started with 3 pennies. And then we're going to add 4 pennies for each round. And so we want to know how much penny will Ruby have at the end of round 20. And we're going to use a little trick. We have this fantastic equation here that will allow us to get there quicker. Before we use that, we're going to go step by step. Okay, so we started with 3, and then we're going to add 4. That gives us 7. So now let's do that for round 2. Since at the end of round 1 we have 7, we're going to begin on round 2 with 7, and we are going to add 4. And then the answer would be 11. So now there's a few ways that we could go ahead and solve this. We could continue skip counting by 4, which would take us a pretty long time to get to round 20. So we're going to use our equation. However, I am going to skip count to double check because I've always want to make sure I have at least 2 strategies. So step 1, we're going to continue doing this. We're going to do one more. Round 3, we start with 11 and we add 4. That gives us 15. We're going to continue doing that all the way to round 20. So for some of you, last week, you did skip count. So you said 7, 11, 15, and you continue to add 4. That'll be 19, 23, 27, 31, 35, 39. See, it's taking us quite a bit of time, but we're going to continue to get there. You know what? Actually, why are we going to continue to do that? When we have this fantastic equation here. Let's use the equation. The amount I start with is 3.
3 is...
I'm adding 4 to each, and so my round is 20.
20.
Orders of operation tells us that we must first do parentheses.
Parentheses.
I know that 4 times 2 equals 8, and I have that 0. We have to make sure we keep that place value. And then we add 3. That equals to 83. So for this week, what we want you to do is to go ahead and start using this equation. For your exit ticket, you just have to solve one problem, but I want to challenge yourself. I want you to challenge yourself and practice this at home. So at the end of 20 rounds, Ruby will have how many pennies? How many pennies will you have at the end of the round? 83.
83.
Thank you. You have a wonderful day, boys and girls.
Bye.